Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if your Facebook account is automatically logging out again and again, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy methods to fix the Facebook auto logout problem. Firstly, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. An outdated app can often cause login or logout issues. So for this, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Facebook. Now update it if not. After this, go back to the home page and open the settings app. Tap on apps option. Now click on see all the apps and tap on the search icon and search for Facebook. Tap on it. Now click on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home page. And if the issue still continues, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable network can sometimes cause Facebook sessions to expire. Also, open Facebook settings and review the device where your account is logged in. If you see any unknown devices, log them out immediately and change your Facebook password for security. Another effective solution is to uninstall the Facebook app and reinstall it from the official App Store. Then sign in again using your account credentials. If none of this method work, open Facebook, go to help and support, select report a problem and explain that your account keeps logging out automatically. And after following these steps, the Facebook auto logout problem should be fixed. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.